Let us understand the characteristics of parabola and relate it with the standard form of equation. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here is solution to one of our questions from the set of 17 which we have discussed earlier. So, in quadratic functions, we have a test paper. Examination style questions are given based on the topics mentioned here. These are very good for grade 10 students. Now, let's try to answer the question number 1, which is based on characteristics of quadratic functions. The figure shows graph of a quadratic function f of x equals to ax squared plus bx plus c with the vertex at minus 3, 6. Three parts of this question are f of x equals to k has two solutions. One of the solution is x equals to 5. Find the other solution of f of x equals to k. Part B. State the values of x for which f of x is decreasing. Part C. Given that c is greater than 0, is b less than 0? Justify your answer. So let's begin answering them one by one. Well, in case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Now let's look into solution of A, which is for the given quadratic function, f of x equals to k has two solutions. One of them is x equals to 5. Find the other solution. How will you solve this? Well, as you know, the parabola, which is the graph of a quadratic function, is symmetric about the axis. Now, here, axis of symmetry is what? Well, axis of symmetry is x equals to the x value of the vertex, which is minus 3. So, if we draw a horizontal line, let us say, if we draw a horizontal line, in that case, where this horizontal line will cross at 2 points which are same distance away, right? That is the meaning of axis of symmetry. Now, what we are given here is that for f of x equals to k, one of the solution is x equals to 5. So, how far is that x equals to 5 from minus 3? So, you can see 5 minus minus 3 is 8. So, it is 8 units on the right, correct? Therefore, the other solution should be 8 units to the left, right? So, it should be minus 8. So the other answer should be x equals to minus 3 minus 8, which is minus 11. So f of 5 is equal to f of minus 11, and both are equal to k. This is what the answer is. So I hope you have understood. We have solved it using axis of symmetry for the quadratic function. Now, part B is state the value of x for which f of x is decreasing. F of x is decreasing means going downwards, so it decreases from the maximum value of 6 onwards to the right. So we can say the value is x greater than minus 3. Now, some of you also may say x greater than equal to minus 3, right? So on the right side of the axis, the function is decreasing. On the left side, it is increasing. Now the question is, should we include or should we not include minus 3? It's a big question. I prefer to include it, but both are right answers, okay? So that also helps to understand the ambiguities which we have sometimes. Now, let's look into part C, which is given that C is greater than 0 and B is less than 0, is B less than 0? Justify your answer. Couple of ways to do this. We know that the vertex is minus 3, 6. Right. Now, since the parabola is opens down, right, it means that the value of A is negative, correct? A is negative. So we know A is negative. We also know that the x value of the vertex is also negative, right? So the question is, should B be positive or negative? This is what you have to figure out. A couple of ways you could actually convert the equation to vertex form, which will be very long. But some of you also know that the for the vertex, what is the x value? The axis is at what value? Axis is at minus b by 2a. Do you know that? Axis is at minus b by 2a for the function ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we know in this case the x is minus 3, right? So we know this is minus 3x's, right? Equals to minus b by 2a. So that means we could write b equals to, make it positive, 2 times 2a times 3, right? So b is equal to 6 times a. It means that the sign of b has to be same as that of a, right? So this means what? B is a scalar multiple of a, right? So it means that both a and b have same sign. Makes sense? Since a is negative, b is also negative, right? So that means since a is less than 0, b should be less than 0. Makes sense? So let's take it on a new page just to show you. So what we have figured out here is that the in this particular case, since the vertex or the axis is at minus b by 2a, right? And if axis is negative, as in this case, it is equals to minus 3. So we can rewrite this as b equals to 6a, right? Means same sign as a, right? Now we know that a is less than 0, therefore b is also less than 0, correct? So that is how you are going to justify it, right? So is b less than 0? This is what you have to justify, right? So it is true. Yes, b is less than 0. You understand? So that is how you could justify. Very important question. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.